Welcome to this video about how to talk about the map growth numbers that show up in Student View. So here I pulled up a report. So this is a report that you can have as a class. So you can see all your kids listed. And so for the sake of this video, I took out the names. So the two columns we're going to look at are the Spring 2019 column, and then we're going to look at this column over here called Comparative. So first, what students see in Student View, they see their percentile range. So they're going to be given that number first. So they'll see Spring National Percentile. So inside of that, we know that if the student is at the 50th percentile, they are on average, the average sixth grader for the Spring 2019 test session. So anything over 50%, that means they're above grade level. Anything under 50%, that means they're below grade level. And so you can see we have a variety of scores here. What it also shows up in Student View that we found out is this column for comparative, and specifically the conditional growth percentile. So with this number, so if the number says 50 for comparative growth percentile, that means they experience the average growth for their age. And so since this is sixth grade, so a 50 on this means that they grew from fall to spring the average growth of a sixth grader. So their score, their RIT score went up. So anything above 50%, it means they have accelerated growth. Anything below 50%, it means they had slowed growth. And so for conditional growth percentile, for numbers that we see here, 85, 81, those students had tremendous amounts of growth. And we can actually see that in the projected growth and observed growth column, where the projected growth was 7, observed growth is 12. If we have students here, you have a student here with 12 and 1, we can actually see a decrease in their RIT score stated right here with a -1 and -10 versus the +6 and +7 that they were supposed to get. So this is just a little video here about how to talk to students when they see these different scores of the national spring percentile and the conditional growth percentile. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up via email, william.peterson@lcps.org, or you can find me on Twitter @BamTeacherTech. Thank you so much for watching.